Hello, and welcome to MiTel Training. Today, you will learn how to manage emails in the MiContact Center Enterprise Agent. A customer is about to send this email to the contact center asking for the company's address and business hours. Once sent, the email will arrive in the MiContact Center Enterprise Agent queue and wait for an agent's availability to handle it. Agent Sally Thompson has just made herself available for email, and the message has popped in. Although this email has been allocated to Sally, she has the ability to delete it, which is useful in the case of spam. Agent privilege can also be regulated by the system administrator. A different workflow would be for Sally to forward the suspect email to her supervisor, who would have the privilege to delete it. Sally can also reject the email, sending it back to the queue, where it will be picked up by the next available agent. Sally will reply to this email. By hitting reply, Sally accepts and takes ownership of the email. The original message is on the Message tab. Sally will type her reply from the Reply tab, and the History tab provides a history of previous conversations with this customer. In the Reply tab, there is also a KB, or Knowledge Base Lookup tab. Contact centers can either build their own knowledge base or link MiContact Center Enterprise Agent to a third-party knowledge base using the Open API. These knowledge bases can then scan incoming emails for phrases or keywords and associate them with assets. In this case, Sally picked up 2 items from the knowledge base. She has one asset for the office address and another for business hours. Knowledge base assets can be added to a response by double-clicking or dragging them into the reply field. Sally can also edit content before sending it to the client. Signatures are configured at the system or agent level and can include formatted HTML elements. MiContact Center Enterprise Agent also has a feature to associate email from specific queues with different email answer templates. Templates can include auto-inserted fields, such as the email header name from an incoming message or the agent's name. There are numerous variable fields that can be used in templates. In this case, Sally will proceed without a template. From the message window, she can format text or insert an attachment. Sally can also ask for assistance. Although she requests assistance, Sally will continue to own the interaction. Her request will be routed to a suitable, correctly skilled agent who can assist. Sally can also divert the email to another agent who is more knowledgeable about the topic for which help has been requested. She can use the skill string tool to identify the most appropriate agent. Sally can also divert the email to another, more appropriate queue. If she is uncertain of her response, Sally can also route her answer through her supervisor. In this workflow, the supervisor will check Sally's answer before it is forwarded to the client. Supervisor review can also be configured at the queue level so that all responses to sensitive service issues are routed through a supervisor. History can be opened in either the tab or the toolbar. Sally will now hit Send and begin wrap-up mode. Because she is going to lunch, Sally will reject the other email in her queue. For additional training, visit learn.mitel.com.